Hello again, welcome back. This video is to go over something that we went through in class when we were doing our assemblies and joints, which should have been on the 16th and I think the 19th, same as the last video. We are looking at how to download or upload parts into Fusion 360, parts that have already been made by someone else that you just need to put into your file to adjust. And then we're also going to look at how to import a part from what is called the McMaster-Carr catalog. McMaster-Carr is a company that supplies all sorts of hardware and parts for engineers and mechanics and what have you, and we have 3D files of all of their parts available in Fusion 360. We need one of those parts for our selfie stick assignment, so I will show you how to upload that part. But first, we're going to take a look at how to get the selfie stick parts themselves. I am just showing you how to get the parts, not how to assemble them. That's your assignment to turn in. But if I want to get those parts, I'm going to go to Schoology. You can also find these parts in PLTW, but I've put them right here in Schoology for you for your easy access. There are two ways to get this file into Fusion. One way is that if I click on the link here, it'll have a folder. This folder has all the parts. I'll click on that. It'll download the parts. Once this is done here, I can click that, and it takes a little bit because, as we know, Fusion takes a bit to load, but it will open those parts right up in Fusion 360. While that's loading, though, I'm going to show you the other way to do it. Now that I have those in my downloads, I had to download that file before I could do this step, so I still had to go to Schoology and download the parts. But now I can, oh, sorry, didn't want to do that. I can go here to File, Upload, select Files, and I'm going to go to my downloads because that's where that file is, and I will click on that. You can see that I've already been doing this today, walking through how to do this, so I've got it twice. But I will click on that. You might have to adjust this so that you can click Upload, and this is the window that we were working in. It should upload those parts momentarily. There we go. It says Upload Complete, Open Design. And there are our parts. And then this other window that popped up, this is from the other way that we downloaded these parts into Fusion 360, downloading them from the web, and it automatically opened them for us. So here is all the parts that we're going to need, except for one. We need a screw that has not been included. So for this, first thing you're going to need to know is the part number. I'm pulling it from my PowerPoint that I have. I'm pulling this part number from my PowerPoint. That PowerPoint should be available to you. I have also given you this part number in class. But we're going to need that part number. And in Fusion, we will go under File to... Nope, sorry, we will not go under File. It's been a little while since I've done this, but we will go to Insert. Insert down to Insert McMaster-Carr Component. This is where we find that ability to get this part. And then we're going to search for that part number. You can also search by the name, or if you don't know what exact part, but you know roughly what you want, you can type in details. But since we have the exact part number, we're going to put that in there, and we're going to look for it. Here is what we want. Go ahead and click on that, and it pulls it up right here. You should be a little careful. The screen can be quite finicky, so don't try to scroll down. Definitely don't try to use this. It will take you to a completely different part. We are not adding anything to our order. We're not ordering anything. We are just downloading from right here the 3D model. So we don't want 3D SolidWorks. That's not going to work for us. The type that we want, and you can't see it because of where the screen is at, but if you just scroll down on your keyboard, it'll show you the different options. We want to scroll up, so 3D SolidWorks is here. We want to scroll up to 3D SAT. 3D SAT, that's going to work for us. We will click Download, and you can see that it brought that part in right there. And I can click and drag it, move it around if I need to, but now I have that to add to my assembly as the final piece.